talk about async image in SwiftUI 3.0. Async image in SwiftUI 3.0. What is async image? A view that asynchronously loads and displays an image. A view that asynchronously loads and displays an image. So first of all, we're going to create on this SwiftUI view. Command N. So this is the command N, which have command N, which have SwiftUI view async image. Example, which have async image example. Okay. And what is async image? SwiftUI has a dedicated async image for downloading and displaying remote image from the internet. In its simplest form, you can just pass a URL. Okay. So first of all, we're going to create on this demo and check on this image. So which have a stack, lay on this layout. So which have a async image. Async image which have initializer, simplest pass on this URL. Okay, and our URL, suppose which have our URL in this create on this URL. Okay, which have a create on this URL and command X our URL which have a pass on this URL and types on this URL. Okay, we can remove on this double quote, extra double quote in this UI. We're gonna remove on this application. We're gonna check on this, okay, we can not apply on this URL in this string. We can assign on this URL string initializer. Okay, we're gonna apply on the URL string initializer. We're gonna resume on this applications. So we're gonna run on this applications. Okay, and loading on this image. Okay, loading on this image. So we're gonna open in this internet connections, and this is not apply on this internet connections, and this connect on this internet connection. So SwiftUI has a dedicated async image for downloading and displaying remote image from the internet, and its simplest from you just pass a URL. You're gonna connect on this internet. So we're gonna connect on this internet and check on this image. So which have a we're gonna connect on this internet. And we're gonna resume on this applications. Let's connect on the async simplest initializer and then async image and load in this. We're gonna run on this application. Okay, and we load on this image in this UI. Load this image in this UI. Show in this image UI. So simplest downloading in this image. This is a simplest downloading in this image. So this is a suppose which have a we're gonna apply on this YouTube. We're gonna apply open on this YouTube. Okay, which have a YouTube. I'm gonna open your desktop. We're gonna check on this image. Not apply on this image. This is not running on this image. We're gonna run on this applications. So in this URL, and after applying this images in this URL, and you can remove this image. Extra we can set on this not apply on this image. Suppose this is a we're gonna apply on this image. This is the images Farooq. Okay, search on this image and which have image on this Farooq, which have Farooq's image. This is a simple, this is a slow internet connection in this UI. This is in this slow internet connection our, and this slow internet connection. This is the image Farooq's image, which have this is a Farooq's. Okay, and Farooq's. So this is the internet connection is largest slow. This is the internet connection is largest slow, and we're gonna. So this is the copy image address, and we're gonna run on this application and assign on this image. Okay, and this is a Oh, this is the largest image address. Not is apply on this is the largest image address, and which have not apply on this largest image. Suppose this is a copy from URL. Suppose which have a URL and not apply on this images, and this is a orange which have on this orange images, and this issue on this internet connection is slow after largest slow internet connection in this UI. So this is the orange, this which have apply on this our, and we're gonna apply on this our URL, add on this our, we're gonna resume on this application and running on this application running mode. We can fetching on this URL and fetching on this URL and support in this UI. Okay, so we're gonna create on this UI, and this is the internet issues in this UI applications and not applications. So this is a load in this image. Okay, load in this image. So we can load in this image. We're gonna change on this image. Suppose this is a load in this image, and we're gonna apply on this image conditions, and we're gonna apply on this image conditions and nested stylish. So okay, we're gonna create apply on closer, and this is the image in which have a, and we're gonna create on this image in, and we're gonna apply on this image dot resizable. So it's not apply on this is image, and we're gonna apply on this is the image and dot resizable method in this UI, resizable dot resize. Okay, we're gonna apply on dot resizable, and this is a not running in this state. We resume on this application, not resizable, and we're gonna apply on this dot resizable image, and we're gonna apply on this placeholders, and we're gonna apply on this place one. Suppose this is a progress view, we're gonna assign on this progress view on this placeholder. Okay, we're gonna assign the progress view on this placeholder dot scale effect, assign on this 87 scale. This is a scale effect is 8. Okay, so we're gonna run on this application and load in this image and show in this UI, and load in this image and show in this UI. So this is the internet connection issue is slowly and after largest uploading in this image. So a view that loads asynchronously load and display an image. This is a load on this image in this URL. Suppose which have this image URL, and which have copy in this link as copies, link address which are not applied this is copies image address. Okay, and we're gonna assign on this copies image address. Suppose this is a copies image not applied on copies image address, and we're gonna turn on this iPhone 12 Pro, and this is our asynchronous examples, and which have on this run on this states. Okay, we're gonna run on this application. So SwiftUI has a dedicated async image for downloading and displaying remote image from the internet. In its simplest form, you can just pass a URL. We're gonna run on this simulators in this UI. We're gonna run on this simulator. Okay, so this in this simulator run on this timing and event on this timing and largest timing. So this is the image, and we can use of image URL. So this is the image URL, and we're gonna check on this issue on this simulator. So this is a Note 12 Pro. Suppose which have a 11 Pro. Okay, we're gonna run this application. So 11 Pro, we're gonna successfully run the 11 Pro. Suppose this is the 11 Pro in this element, 11 Pro in this Swift 11 Pro, which have on this 11 Pro button, which have simulator is top class simulator in this iOS 15 top class simulator update on this UI. So this run on this applications. So this is the internet connection uploading in this image and UI and connection on this particular situations. Okay, so this not running in this state, check on this UI issue async example. Okay, async, and this is good example on this async. Okay, So in this internet connection issue in this UI, but it's not problem, but it's any not problem. So this is a super stylish in this image. We're gonna check on this internet connection probably. So Swiftray has a dedicated async image for downloading and displaying remote image from the interest. So we're gonna apply on this loader. This is the loader is uploading in this image loader, which have a loader. This is a after automatically removed in this API downloading in this image. So this is a original and with loading this image, and this time is waiting time is largest time. We are run on this applications and UI. So this is the UI in this code, not problem in this internet connection problem. So this is the internet connection problem, but is not is our Mac and our coding problem and our knowledge problem. So async, what is async image? So this is a load on this image. Our image is loader as well as suppose which have a URL. This is the copy image address, and which have a can apply on copy image address, and you can apply on copy image address, and we can set on this. We gonna run on this application. So this is a address fetching on this image, and this is a orange. This is the orange image fetch in this URL in this UI device orange image. AC image for downloading and displaying remote image. Displaying remote image from the internet. It's simplest from you can just pass a URL. Suppose this is the image is not is super design power. So this is the we can apply on this dot frame. So frame we can apply on this frame is 300 by 250, but it's not applied. It's 250 and 250, which have 250 and 250 height and 250 with dot center. We're gonna run on this application. On this application in this 250 and 215 UI, 215 size, 215 height and 250 width. Uploading on this server image 215 height and 215 width, and this UI. So this load on this image. How is our image is in this image, and then load on this image. Okay, we shall load in this image. Just super design on this image, our project and save. So this is the async image is super by using closure and completion handle asynchronously by